Alright, today we've got a cabin tour of 10713 here on board Utopia of the Seas. You tap your green card and you come on in. This is a boardwalk balcony. We're on the starboard side of the ship. That way we are which is the right hand side for those who don't know the differences between port and starboard. But complete with a king size bed. Of course, this is two twins put together. That way you can split them up, which is nice. We'll get to the bathroom here in a second. I've got to move those. Lots of storage here, of course. Got ourselves a safe, a lot easier to find than on Icon. Some hangers. And a few drawers down on the bottom. Little cubbies with a phone. Let me know in the comments if you've actually used one of these. It's been so long since I've used one of those. Hopping over to the other side, which is nice. I saw this over on the other side, but it does have a USB-C port, which is kind of the newer plug, and the actual just regular plug with a lamp that turns on with the flip of a switch. A lot bigger of a closet here with some hangers as well, and another cubby, and complete with a nice, very large TV. I love that, very cool. Then a nice full-size mirror. Another mirror if you want to get your makeup done, if that's what you do. You flip that switch, you get the light going around it. Then of course, complete with two regular outlets, some European outlets, another regular one, and then the nice part about these new ships is you have a regular USB and a USB-C port, which is nice. Normal size couch, pretty cool. This one doesn't fold out. This is only a two-person cabin. Then, of course, you got yourself a little blow dryer. And your mini fridge, that does not come stocked. But if you have any waters, sodas, things like that that you bring in, you can put them in there. More storage, pretty deep cabinets, which is nice. So, lots of storage options here on board Utopia of the Seas with your boardwalk balcony. And a nice little table area just to put random stuff. And then, one of the most important parts, the balcony. As always, two chairs, a nice view of the name of the ship, the ultimate abyss, view onto the balcony. And then last but not least, we're gonna head to the bathroom and check that out. Move these out of the way. Whoops. And similar to Wonder of the Seas, if you remember that boardwalk balcony cabin tour, this door is magnetic. It doesn't slam, or it's not as loud as the last one, but nice. Here we go. Very good sized shower. It's actually really big in here. Let's go ahead and hop in. See how much I can really like kind of spread out in here, which is nice. Of course, for a cruise ship cabin. And then of course, very nice large mirror, sink, soap, towels, cups, little places to put some stuff. And then your throne, the classic, solid trash can, more towels, a couple towel racks, and then that is all for the cabin tour here on board Utopia of the Seas for the boardwalk balcony cabin 10713. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and watching this video. If you did like it, make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more Utopia of the Seas content, as our next video will be a full walkthrough tour of this amazing, amazing ship, the second largest ship in the world. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.